We've made a short test days ago about the iPhone 13 screen replacing. Even with the original screen from other iPhone 13, it will have non-genuine display message and lose Face ID function. It still doesn't work even after restore the iPhone. What if we transplant to genuine screen IC chip on new screen? Can we restore Face ID back? Let's do it now to see if it works out. This is an iPhone 13. Let's set up Face ID and test the function. Unlock smooth and fast. Power off. Remove SIM tray, bottom screws and separate the screen. Remove all screws and metal shields. Disconnect flex and take off screen. To make test more rigorous, we take off sensor macro flex and install it on new screen. Connect with the board and power on. Screen light up successfully, but we see a warning message pop out. Let's enter password for further test. Not surprisingly, important display message pop out on homepage, also available in setting page. Back to setting page and enter Face ID. Try to enroll a new Face ID. It shows Face ID is not available. Meanwhile, True Tone disappears even with genuine sensor microphone flex. Comparing with the older iPhone, we suppose this IC chip is in charge of Face ID and screen data memory. Now let's enter main course. Separate the screen flex with the opening card. Input a metal sheet under screen flex. Apply aluminum foil and high temperature proof sticker around the IC chip in order to prevent the screen from high temperature damage. Turn on Sugun vertical hot air gun. Adjust the temperature to 265 Celsius degree, airflow 30 to remove glue around the IC chip. Adjust the temperature to 300 Celsius degree, airflow 30 to remove IC chip carefully. Now let's clean genuine IC chip. Apply solder flux. Remove residual solder paste with desoldering wick. Clean with PCB cleaner. And remove residual black adhesive with hot air gun and scraper. Then we do rebolting for genuine IC chip. To protect the screen better, we choose low temperature solder paste to rebolt chip back. Adjust the humidity of solder paste, and then rebolt the chip with universal rebolting stencils. Adjust the hot air gun to 270 Celsius degree, airflow 30, preheat in advance, and complete the rebolting job. Tin balls are rounded and even with perfect condition. For the new screen, we handle with the same procedures to remove IC chip. Adopt a heat-proof process to protect the screen. Remove encapsulation glue around the IC chip. And remove IC chip carefully. Apply solder flux. Work with the hot air gun and scraper to remove residual adhesive on chip bonding pad. Set the hot air gun to 270 Celsius degree, airflow 30. Genuine IC chip is ready now. Apply solder flux on bonding pad. Put the genuine IC chip on red position carefully until it gets solid. Remove all protection material. The new screen is with genuine display IC chip now. Install new screen on iPhone 13. Power on, and we see no warning message anymore. Input password, enter Face ID page, and the Face ID was enrolled successfully this time. After rounds of tests, Face ID works smooth and fast like a genuine one. True tone still unavailable on new screen, but we suppose there will be programmer can fix it in future. Besides display data, we suppose Apple encrypted Face ID data into the IC chip of iPhone 13 lineup screen. Refer to the history of Touch ID. It still can't be jailbreak after years. Considering Face ID also involves users' financial safety and privacy issue, we don't believe Face ID can be fixed with third-party programmers. As the most frequently damaged and replaced part, screen was encrypted with Face ID will force iPhone users to choose between can't use the iPhone normally and losing Face ID. Otherwise, they have to go to the Apple Store or authorize the repair shop to restore it. This will hurt third-party repair business, also deprive users the right to repair.